G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm gonna make a super simple recipe. And this is a recipe I like making when things start to cool down a little bit in our Australian winter. It's just an easy recipe I can make in the morning before work. And my son Teddy loves it too. This is my spiced banana smoothie. Here we go. So today I'm using the Vitamix A3500. This is Vitamix's entry-level Vitamix. Don't be fooled by the cheaper price point. It is an awesome blender. It comes with a 5-year warranty, a 1.4 litre container, a bit smaller container. This is my favorite container size to use. So I'm gonna put in about 3 or 4 bananas. I'm just gonna peel my bananas. I put the peels straight into my food cycler. Now I've got some almonds, just some blanched almonds. So I'm basically making an almond milk inside my smoothie, just with some blanched almonds and some water. I've got some dates. I want to take out the pit, of course. So I'm going to put some water just to balance out those almonds to make my nut milk. Probably about that much. In the winter time, I like to put some allspice in my smoothie. It's got a delicious flavor. You can put a fair bit in. Don't be scared to put a bit more in than you think. And then some ice to keep it cold. I often put spinach in here in the morning as well, but I'm just gonna keep it simple today. Start it on a slow speed. I'm gonna work it up to 10. Away we go. All right, that is it. Doesn't need long, just about 30 seconds to get it to a nice, smooth consistency. Look at that. Beautiful, creamy, smooth. Cheers. So good. I love that allspice in there. What I like to do, obviously, sprinkle a little bit more on top. Gives it that added kick. This is one of my favorite smoothies to have during the winter. It's really easy to make, tastes delicious. If you've got any comments or any questions, please hit us up in the comments below. Until then, happy blending.